Armed thugs target a convenience store, and the frightening crime is all caught on camera. Tonight, you'll see and hear it unfold as the manager describes the ordeal. Local 10's Janine Stanwood is working this story for us live from Pembroke Park.
Laura, this happened on Monday. Those two armed men stormed through these doors, all while cameras are rolling. One moment, this customer you see inside the food store is checking her lottery ticket. Then this. One masked thug makes sure she stays put. The other, we'll show you from another angle, makes a beeline toward manager Eddie Ahmed.
He told me, "Don't move. I'm going to shoot you. I'm going to shoot you."
Only then, from the ground, he realizes there are two of them.
He have a gun too.
The two struggle with the cash register.
He tried to be open the register. He can't open. So he told me, "Open the door. Open the door." I'm saying, "Okay."
Open it, stay down. Open it. Open it. I open it. Open it. Okay.
You can hear the phones ringing. Ahmed's getting pistol whipped.
Just like a heated gun.
Not only are cameras rolling the entire time, but the monitors showing it all right next to the cash register. They either don't see or they don't care, because when he finally opens the register, they clean it out.
He took my hat too.
His hat, cigars, cigarettes, and lotto tickets too, Ahmed says. It's a crime strikingly similar to a robbery at a farm store in Pembroke Pines last week. Detectives say one masked man with a semi-automatic handgun robbed the victim of his wallet while the other cleaned out the register. Connected or not, none of these guys has been caught. Ahmed is back to work again, and he has a message for them.
Please don't do that. We have a family, It's scary,
And you can see right now the store is back open for business. Definitely good news for Ahmed and his family. The problem is those guys are still in the loose. Police say after they left, they got into a Toyota. They got into an older model Toyota. Then they went southbound on Southwest 32nd Avenue. At this point, they have not been seen since. So the Broward Sheriff's Office is asking anybody with information about either of those two guys to give them a call. Lori?
Janine, is Ahmed going to change his security now? Is there anything more he can do?
He says it's the hazards of the job. He has all those cameras in place. He just has to be vigilant and use common sense. He complied with all of their requests. He says that's all he could do.
Oh, thank goodness he's all right.